So right now we're going to shoot a video using the pulse generator, the PG-2, but we're going to show you doing it for a swimming pool application. On this pool we have a pool spa combination. We have spa jets that are actually leaking, and we don't know whether the lines are running underneath this slab on the way over to the equipment or on the other side. So what we're going to show you how we do is we're going to get them running water through them through the pulse generator. We're going to get it tapping, and we're going to show you how we mark out where all these pipes are. So because we have spa jets here, we counted them out. What we're going to do is we're going to plug all of the spa jets, but we're going to leave the furthest spa jet open. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take a blow bag, we're going to remove the blower, and we're going to put a blow bag down in the venturi pipe. That's going to get water flowing through this pipe, throwing through the pulse generator, and then we're going to turn on the pulse generator, and you're going to see it tapping, or you're going to hear it tapping, and we're going to mark out the location. Check it out. So what we're going to do is we're going to plug off all the returns except for the furthest return that's in the system from where we're injecting. So this is the furthest return. We're going to build our standpipe with a 3/4 inch spigot on it so that we can install our PG-2 right to it. Once we set it up, we plug it in. Then we're going to turn on our battery, and here's where we're going to start to hear it clicking. It's going to make a very distinct clicking noise. That's when we could turn our water pressure on, and now we're tapping throughout the whole entire pipe. PVC doesn't register with other type of locator systems, but it does with this because we're getting a very distinct pulse. Listen to it. It enables us to mark out exactly where this line is running, and in this case, it's surprising us because it's running on the opposite side that we thought it would be. So here's where we actually have it marked out. We're able to get over it, and we get you right on top of the line. So that's how we mark out these lines. We literally close everything off. We get running water through the system, and when you hook up the pulse generator, it's going to tap anywhere in the system. Now on this job, we needed to figure out which side the trunk line's running so we could pick it up. And the trunk line happens to be running on this side, which is not what I thought it would be running. So again, that's how we tap out these lines. That's how we locate these lines. For more information, visit LeakTronics.com, and always check out our YouTube channel.